Today I'm going to be lubing a 1980's Rubik's 3x3 with Stardust. Now, Z3 Cubing did something similar to this where he poured in some silk lube into a fake Rubik's Cube from the 1980s, but this one is legit.
I think.
I got it at a flea market, and yeah, so first we're gonna turn and this thing it's like, I think the people that owed it before I did like threw some Vaseline or something in it, but yeah, I'm shocked how someone managed to get 22 seconds on this thing. Like on my RS3M 2020 I like average sub 30, but yeah, I'm shocked how someone managed to get it with this thing. Like I would get 43 seconds or something like that, but 20, I'm shocked. Like, then again, back in the days, like, they used the wrist churning and not the legendary finger tricks that we have today, thanks to the technology that speed cubes have to offer. I think they did throw some Vaseline in this. I don't know, but like, it feels blocky. It's like if you got a cube, a regular cube, and like one that has screws and not those special tensioning systems, like number systems, like one that actually has screws and then you tensioned it super duper tight. That's what this feels. Slice turns, very hard to make. Pushing. Oh my, that's it. I mean, like, wrist turns on this feel okay. Then again, I'm a non-keeper now. Rip Bosa. Okay, but yeah. Now let's throw some Stardust Lube in this. Okay, now all we need to do is okay, so it's been broken into, and it turns now, like, it still has that blocky feeling, but it turns a bit faster now. Like, wait, how are the slice layers? Okay, the slice layers are still pretty slow, but the outer layers have gotten much faster. This thing also smells like bubblegum, so like that 80s stuff is going absolutely crazy now. But let's do a time solve on it. Oh, this thing has so much friction on it. Because I'm going so slow, I'm struggling with my algorithms. Like, have you ever done like your algorithms fast and you could do them alright, maybe even fine, but when you slow down, you struggle. 50.34. Yup. This thing reminds me when I first started cubing that a Rubik's brand was my main. Like, I remember like telling my mom, I need some vegetable oil, and she's like, why? So I can make my cube turn faster. Now, the Stardust was great, but it's time to throw in the other lube that I use in my main cube other than Weight 3 and Stardust. Nebula. Let's get this bad girl opened up. And this should make the Cosmic Lube caps a bit easier to take off because I struggle with these things like crazy. Okay, time to throw some into the cube. Okay, so I'm gonna put a tad bit on the pieces, like right there, because like Stardust is water-based while this is more gummy-ish based. Okay, so I'm gonna some on the piece and then close the Stardust all up. And now break in again. Oh.
A few moments later.
Time to do another time solve. Okay, can I do better than this time? If I find out. Should have done some inspection. Doesn't matter now. Pair up that. And my F2L look ahead is so terrible. Oh, this is so hard to turn. Oh no, I'm almost close. I'm barely on PLL. Okay, I think I made something that was a little too fast. Dang. How do I feel about the cube now with the loops inside? Well, okay, outer layers, like, it's just like if you threw like vegetable oil into a cube. Okay, but that is if you've never tried lube before. Like back then I would always like throw vegetable oil and then I'm like, this is so good. But when I tried lubes for the first time, lubes were just like, bye-bye vegetable oil. Man, but I kind of miss going to like the local convenience store that's like around the area of my house. But anyways, like, this feels okay. Like, it gives me nostalgia from when I first started cubing. And yeah, but how do I feel about the cube? Okay, a bit more nostalgic than good. Okay, outer layers, terrifying inner layers. How do I feel about the lubes used in this video? They're good if you use them right, for like the right kind of cubes, because like I think that Nebula and Stardust are like an underrated combo. Like, it feels good, like you have speed and stability at the same time. Like, other lube combinations are good too. I've never tried Lunar and Stardust, but hopefully one day I do. But I really like my gummy and controllable mixed in with my speedy quick lubes, and that is why I like them so much. And I also like them in the RS3M 2020 because like it's a okay, not fast but not slow cube when you first get it, and like when you throw in these lubes along with the weight 3, it feels great. But yeah, that concludes this video, and I'll see you on the next one.